which has been given with this event. All the bright faces, smiling faces, I wish you all the best. And the 3 presentations which I saw here, they were absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. A round of applause for all. It is so heart fulfilling that you children are giving too much, thinking of so many sustainable solutions. You are thinking of farmers, you are thinking of pregnant women, you are thinking to save paper, you are thinking of afforestation. It's very, very nice. In fact, you all have gathered here and I welcome all the parents who are here to just get the overview of what their children are doing here. I would like to tell that they are doing absolutely fantastic. All the students, they are working so hard over here. The type of presentations which are being delivered here are a level of the corporate presentations which are being presented in the companies. In the colleges where college students present these kind of presentations. And I am also told by your principal that this whole event has been organized by the students of the school only without any help of their teachers or their mentors. So that is very, very nice. You are taking so much initiative. The Bhumi Mitra project, it was very nice. They even told how much income will be generated, what kind of inputs would be there, capital costs would be there, and how they will be marketing their product. So this shows the level of the students which they are thinking not only just to prepare a project, not only just to create a product, but also to market it, also to sell it, to create money out of it, not for the profit purpose, but for sustainable purpose. Any project or any product is not cannot be built up if we do not have the income or if we do not have the capital input there. So that is very, very fantastic. Also, I would like to touch upon what was it? Pretty Little Hearts.
Dreamers Factory in Pretty
Dreamers Factory, which sponsored the Pretty Little Hearts, which has won first prize in IIT Roorkee International Social Event. That is wonderful. I would like to see those smiling faces who have won those first prize. Who all are there? So that was out of 640 teams, 640 projects? 680 projects was there all over the India, and this was just only team from Fatehabad, from Haryana, and they have secured the first position. Ground children in full support of the parents, the school, the principal, our district education officer, Mr. Sehag is here. He is a wonderful officer. वो हमेशा आपके साथ कोई भी कार्य करना होता है वो जागरूक और तत्पर रहते हैं. And he always tell me कि मैं अपने स्कूल में ये चल रहा है, स्कूल में वो चल रहा है. तो मैं उन्हें भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी और बधाई देना चाहूँगी कि उन्होंने इतना बढ़िया यहाँ पे स्कूल को तराशा है और यहाँ पे उनको मदद करी है. तो बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज करते हैं. And all you children, all the very best to all of you. You are very bright, shining students. Wish you all the best for your future, but keep in mind to serve the Mother Earth, serve your country, serve your nation, because that's what हमें अभी सिर्फ शिक्षा प्राप्त हो रही है. इसी टाइम पे आप जो चीज़ें करना चाहते हैं, जैसे आप एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं अपने आइडियाज़ को, आपको कोई नहीं रोकेगा. You can always go to your mentor, you can always go to your parents. You will never say no if you have a good idea at your heart and your mind. So कभी भी घबराना नहीं है. Do not hesitate. ये नहीं सोचना है कि बाकी लोग क्या सोचेंगे. बाकी लोग एक हफ्ता सोचेंगे, 2 हफ्ता सोचेंगे. आप लोगों ने एक बार करके दिखा दिया तो 10 लोगों को हौसला मिलेगा, हिम्मत मिलेगा. तो इसलिए मेरा तो यही गुजारिश है कि आप सब लोग आगे बढ़ते रहिए और कभी भी हेजिटेट मत करिए. And always think of good things, because that if you think of good things will come to you. So wish you all the very best. Thank you so much for participating.
City Magistrate Fatehabad, respected Managing Director and Principal, St. John International School Fatehabad, and all my lovely students and respected staff members. First of all, congratulations to all of you, especially to the students who participated in project-based learning and goes to very enjoying position with a cash prize of 25,000. And really, it is a dream for our Fatehabad citizens to view, to see, to have a school where the students are like you, who are thinking more than maturer person, maturer officers, as ma'am discussed. All the concepts which are highlighted here, time and again discussed with administration for common man, common people, for the benefit of public in general. And you are preparing the ideas. When I reached in the school, two girl students were talking with me about the project-based learning. And while I was too much astonished to know their views about the education system, about the present system and the forthcoming system of education. What more can they do? What more can our teachers do? All these questions are so much with intensity in their minds. And when these students asked me, "Sir, please may I talk with you in Hindi?" So I was pleased to say कि मैं हरियाणा में भी बहुत अच्छी बात करता हूँ, हिंदी में भी बहुत अच्छी बात करता हूँ, और जो एक सबके समझ की हमारी भाषा है, हिंदी भाषा है। तो उन बच्चियों ने, उन बेटियों ने कहा कि आपको यहाँ तक पहुँचने में क्या संघर्ष किया, लेकिन मैंने उनको एक ही लाइन में बताया कि मैंने कोई संघर्ष नहीं किया। अगर मैं संघर्ष करता तो शायद बहुत कुछ और बन जाता, लेकिन मैंने कभी संघर्ष नहीं किया। और मैं बिल्कुल एक स्मूथली वे से चलता हुआ, एक अच्छी टीचिंग लाइन से जुड़ा हुआ, मैंने 20 साल क्लासरूम टीचिंग की है, अच्छे अच्छे बच्चों को वहाँ तराशा है। जो बहुत ज़्यादा उद्दंड किस्म के बच्चे होते थे, उनके सिर्फ व्यवहार को सुधारा है। शायद मैं उनको बहुत ज़्यादा अक्षर ज्ञान में सुधार नहीं कर पाया, लेकिन उनके व्यवहार में एक इंसानियत लाकर उनको एक आम, एक अच्छा नागरिक बना पाया। ये मैंने उन बेटियों से शेयर की मेरी बात, और उनको ये भी मैंने बताया कि आज जो शिक्षा प्रणाली है वो हमारी नंबर और लेटर जानने की शिक्षा प्रणाली नहीं है। न्यूमरेसी और लिटरेसी से बहुत ऊपर गए हम। हमें जो है आज सोशल इमोशनल फीलिंग्स को साथ लेकर, एम्पैथी के साथ हमें एजुकेट होना है। हम अपने आप को समझा पाए, दूसरे को समझ पाए, यही शिक्षा का विशेष उद्देश्य होता है। और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने जो नई शिक्षा प्रणाली 2020 लागू हुई है, उसमें भी इन चीज़ों पर बहुत ज़्यादा जोर दिया गया है कि आज हमारा विद्यार्थी रटन विधि से आगे न बढ़कर, जैसा कि आज आपके प्रोजेक्ट के माध्यम से यहाँ दिखाया गया है, प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग के माध्यम से आगे बढ़े, ताकि एक एक बात को जो वो करता है उसके दिमाग के पटल पर अपने आप